Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to sublimate on keychain. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to sublimate some pictures or images on a keychain. Alright guys, here we go. I have my printout already printed out. Guys, sublimation is a specific type of ink that use a specific type of printer and a specific type of paper. Now the printer that I used to print this out is called the Epson ECO-TANK 2720. I converted that into a sublimation printer. I'm using Hippo ink for that, and I'm using the A-sub paper here. Guys, I did not show you how I created this image. However, here we go. We went and we print that out, and all I'm doing here now, I'm just using my scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead and trim these down. We're gonna trim it down, and guys, we're sublimating on both sides of the keychain. So now with the sublimation again, let's get back into it. You have to use a specific type of blank for the sublimation ink to be transferred over. So here where you could be 100% polyester or some form of coating polyester. The higher the polyester is, the brighter your image will become. Okay, so we're just cutting down these, and I am just doing so. I want to say, if it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you like what you see here, and if you do like what you see here, please consider joining the Shana's Home DIY and Craft and turn your post notification on so you can be notified every time I upload. Now you're gonna ask yourself, how do I join their family? Well, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button. Hit that red subscribe button, and there we just became best friend. Okay, so here we go. Those are my blank. I peeled the backing off. There is a coat of like a clear piece of paper that comes over that, and I'm just lining up my image with my blank. Okay, the size of my blank, in case you want to ask, guys, it's going to be in the description, but I'm going to say it in the video, so don't watch the video, don't ask me the size when it's in the video. So these are 2 inches by 2 inches, so they're round, 2 inches round. It's just a round 2 inches round. It's not 2 inches by 5 inches, 2 inches round. So all I'm doing here, I'm using some heat transfer tape, and I am taping my image so it can stay in place, because guess what, we don't want ghosting on our sublimation. If you do not keep that in place, you get ghosting. Ghosting is where it looks like you're printing an image on top of an image. We don't want that. We want it to look nice, professional. We deal with professional thing here, okay? So that's why I tape all of that. So I line that up on the keychain blank, trim the excess off, then we tape it on, okay? If it's not your first time here and you are already a part of the Shana's Home DIY and Crafts, I want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I couldn't have done it this far without you guys. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to the moon and back. Okay guys, let's get social. Please go ahead and follow me over on Instagram, follow me over on Facebook, follow me over on TikTok. Now guys, all the links to my social media page will be in the description box below, so feel free to go ahead and just let's get social, okay? So now that I'm all done taping with my heat resistant tape, I am gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be using some butcher paper. Yes, you heard me right. I'm gonna be using some butcher paper to tape that over the image. Now you may be wondering, why am I doing so? If you're new to sublimation, we're doing so because we don't want bleeding on our heat press, okay? Because what happened is the heat will come, when the heat hit the image, it bleeds through, okay? And we don't want that to get on our heat press, because we don't want to be pressing a white t-shirt next week. Next thing you know, there's ghosting off her keychain that we made for a week ago on top of her white t-shirt. So that's why we're using butcher paper. If it's not your first time doing this, you already know sublimation, don't come for me. I'm new to this myself, so I'm just sharing what I know and how I learn and what I learn and what I do, and no, yep, that's what we're doing over here. All right, so just don't come for me, okay? All right, so here we go. We have all our blanks that are ready. We have our image on, we got our butcher paper. We're just line them up, and I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna be putting a Teflon sheet. Yep, that's a Teflon sheet. Over that, I have my easy press I'm gonna be using. Guys, you cannot see the temperature because obviously I don't know how to set the camera. I'm sorry about that. We have this set at 400 degrees, and we're gonna be pressing for 40 seconds, okay? If you haven't checked out some of my latest video, I'm going to be having that in the description box below, also in the iCard above, so please go ahead after finish watching this video and check that out. Now that we're all done pressing, we want to leave that to cool down for a little bit, and look at this. this is our first image. Look how nice and clean that is. That's what I'm talking about. So sublimation, it all has to do. Some people may wonder, you may do this and say, why is mine not so vibrant? Well, the color and vibrancy all has to do with the correct temperature and the correct pressure. Okay, now when you're pulling off your heat transfer tape, I keep saying heat transfer tape, sorry, your heat resistant tape, you want to make sure you're doing so very gentle because you don't want to scratch your image. I can't tell you how many videos I've watched. That haven't happened to me yet, but I do a lot of research. And a lot of people saying how they have problem because they scratch their image, so they have to remake it. So I'm learning from people's mistake until I be able to learn from mine. So, you know what I'm saying? And this is our second image here. Look how bright and vibrant that is, guys. I am so in love with these. And I hope you like it too. If you don't, so what? Whatever. You know, everybody has different taste, different style. Once I was done pulling off the paper from my keychain, I went ahead and I repeat the same step to the opposite side of the keychain. I'm not going to show you guys how I did all of that because it's the same thing I just did. If you made it this far in the video, I'm sure you're liking something here. I don't know what you're liking. I don't know if it's the image. I don't know if it's my hands that's moving, or I don't know if it's my craziness, but something have you going on this long. So please do not leave without giving this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Also make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the rest of the keychain to the keychain to make it a full keychain. I don't know if I say that right. If I don't pay me no mind, whatever. So here we go. I have a little pliers here, and I'm just adding these little accessories. I don't know what they call them. Accessories are the half of the keychain to make it a full keychain. Okay, so that's all I'm doing here, adding all these things. And once I'm done with that, then we're all set. It's time to just stack them up and give them to the correct owner. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and type me up a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Also give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Share the video with your friends and family. It doesn't cost anything at all. Alright, so make sure your post notification bell is on because I do all different type of crafting. I don't just do sublimation. Remember guys, to go ahead and check out some of my other content that's going to be either popping up on the icon above, on the end screen, or in the description box below. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.